Hello guys, I will really explain 5.3 a little bit fast, I would say. 5.3. The title is Arithmetic in Everyday Situations, Calculations. Well, I'm going to assume you read Theory A on your own. If not, pause the video and read it. When you're working with arithmetic in everyday situations, if you go to the store and you have 50 euros in your pocket and you know you want to buy, for example, an item which is about 13 euros, you know that when you divide 50 by 13, let's have a look what it will become. 50 divided by 13, you get 3.846, 1, etc., etc. So when you're rounding, you always write down a few decimals with dots, and then you round it. This is indeed rounded up to one decimal, 3.8. Or you can say, if you want to round up to an integer, this would be 4. But remember, when you go to a store and you would ask for 4 items, you would never get that because you cannot pay it. So what you get is, if you go to the store, you would buy only 3 items. You don't have enough money to buy the 4th one, even though when you're rounding, you would get 4. So this is when you're working with calculations. And this is a situation. I call it a situation. When you go to the store, when you want to know how many chocolate you can buy. Now, let's take another example. For example, there are 23 people in an elevator waiting for the elevator. The elevator can only take 7 up at once. Well, 23 divided by 7. Let's do that again. We get 23 divided by 7 will give us 3.28, etc. So that means the elevator, if it goes up only 3 times because you're rounding down, people are still being left behind. So the elevator has to go 4 times up to make sure that everybody gets to where they have to go. So that's what they are explaining. And now you're ready to work on 36 till exercise 41.